Hey guys, Alex here from Center Power Sports coming to you live from our showroom. Talking about Starcraft boats today. Fishing openers right around the corner. Memorial Day is coming up soon. Obviously the sun's out. The lakes are ice free. People are thinking about getting on the water for the summer. We'd love to put you in a new Starcraft to help make that happen. We've got a pretty good selection of Starcrafts here yet. Starting over here, we've got a 17-foot Delta 178 FXS. This one is powered with a Mercury 115 Pro XS. We've got them also in stock with a 150 Mercury on the back. So we got a bunch of different options depending on what you're kind of looking for. Some of the sweet features on this boat is it's a 17 foot, but it's 17 feet 11 inches long, so extra big, 96 inches wide, so it's got a very wide beam. There's a ton of room back here. I mean, it comes standard with 3 chairs. All of these chairs have the air ride pedestals on, so they're going to be a super comfortable ride. Another cool feature that the Deltas have are these jump seats here in the back. So on either side, you can flip those up and you go from 3 chairs. Now you got seating for up to 5 people. Throw this one up in the front for doing some fishing, and you're going to have all kinds of room back here for the whole family to enjoy the day on the lake. Right here in the center, big live well again. So you can see this one's got a ski pylon that comes with it as well. So you can pull the kids if you want to go do some skiing or wakeboarding, whatever you want to do. This boat is ready to do it all. We come over here, got a big port side rod locker, just like the rest of the Delta series has. Another cool feature that this boat's got on it is it's got some interior accent lights. What they are is underneath the sides on the gunnels, you got some blue or white LED lights. Flip them on. It's going to help light up that whole interior in the evenings if you're throwing it on the boat lift or you're getting it ready to go at the ramp. Under the consoles on each side, we got some pull-out drawers. They've got tackle trays in them, all ready to go. This boat is equipped with a Humminbird Helix 7 on the dash, and once again, a Minn Kota power drive with iPilot up on the bow. So those are all ready to rock and roll, so you can go fishing. Another cool thing that this boat's got, it's got the cushions up here for lounging. If you got the family out and you're going to the sandbar, throw these things in. You're ready for hanging out at the sandbar all day. Underneath them, when you lift them up, once again, full deck storage all the way around underneath these cushions. I mean, you've got all sorts of finished compartments. You can get all your gear in there for a day, weekend, whatever it may be out on the lake. And another really cool feature that this boat has that not a lot of fish and ski boats do have is a big center rod locker that I'm standing on here. You open this up and you've got room for all your fishing rods. You got your cover stored down in there. It's all wired up to throw your batteries in there. It's super nice. Keeps all your rods protected, keeps them out of the way. You don't have to take all your fishing stuff out of the boat if you guys are going to be spending the day doing some water sports, and then put it back in when you're going fishing, because you can keep it all right in here all at the same time. And they finish it off with a great big in-floor storage compartment again. Great place to keep all your tackle, everything. It's down out of the way. Don't have to worry about it. You know, never have to clean the boat out to go from fishing to water sports and back again. You can keep everything right in here with all the room that it's got. Great boat. We've got it in a number of colors, different motor options, and it's ready to go, ready to hit the water right now. So stop in today, check out our awesome lineup of Starcraft boats, and remember, it's always a great day to experience Center Power Sports and Marine.
Igniting your passion for adventure. Center Power Sports and Marine.